Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Buzz. Today, we're diving into a small but mighty mechanical keyboard that's gaining serious attention, the KOORUI 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This ultra-compact keyboard features 68 essential keys, giving you everything you need without taking up extra desk space. It's perfect for gamers who want more mouse movement room, streamers going for a cleaner aesthetic, or anyone trying to maximize a minimalist setup. One of the standout features is its vibrant mixed-color LED backlighting. Not only does it look great, but the lighting effects are customizable, so you can adjust the brightness and patterns to match your mood or gaming theme. Under the hood, this keyboard uses red mechanical switches, known for their smooth, linear feel with minimal resistance. That means faster response times, less finger fatigue, and quieter operation, ideal for fast-paced gaming or late-night sessions when you don't want to wake the whole house. Despite its small size, it's fully wired and plug-and-play with no drivers needed. Whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, a laptop, PC, or even Xbox, you just plug it in and you're ready to go. Build quality is solid too, the keys feel durable, and the overall construction gives you confidence this board can handle intense gameplay or heavy daily use. It's a great fit for first-time mechanical keyboard users, competitive gamers, or anyone upgrading from a bulky full-size keyboard. So if you're looking for a stylish, high-performing compact keyboard that saves space without sacrificing functionality, the KOORUI 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Tech Buzz, and check the link in the description to grab yours today.